Now, in order to complete that other 6 columns in the table, let us take one element first as an example. Hydrogen. And you know the symbol is hydrogen H. Write the mass number and atomic number or the representation from the previous table, that is table number 1. First table, from that you get the representation. Write the representation. Then write the mass number and the atomic number. Now you have to draw the diagram of the atom structure. That is, you have to draw the nucleus and you have to draw the shell and put electrons. How many electrons according to the 2n squared rule. Now, hydrogen. First find out the protons, neutrons and electrons. Hydrogen, atomic number 1, therefore number of proton is 1. Number of electrons also is equal to 1 because the proton number is same as the number of electrons. Number of neutrons is equal to 1 minus 1. That is mass number minus atomic number, which is equal to 0. Now, protons and neutrons are inside the nucleus. Therefore, when you are drawing the structure, make sure that draw a nucleus like this, a small circle. In that you put proton is equal to 1, neutron is equal to 0. That means nucleus you completed. Now, electrons are in shells. Therefore, you just draw one shell. So that how many electron you have, that depends on the number of the shell. Therefore, we got only one electron. According to the 2n squared rule, K shell maximum 2 electron. But we got only one electron. Therefore, put that electron in the K shell. That is what here. In the K shell, you draw a K shell and put one electron, write like this, one electron, or you put a picture of the electron doing like this. Both can be used. Whichever one that you, in the textbook it is given like this. Even for the examination, if you write like this, it is correct. Therefore, now we made the structure of atom clear by putting the protons and neutrons inside the nucleus and one electron that is in the K shell. That is only one electron we have, therefore we put that. Next two columns are completed by listening to this. Valence shell. What is known as valence shell? Here in this column it is given that what is in K, that is valence shell. Two things are there they asked, that is valence shell and valence electron. Here electronic configuration is given. That means in the K shell, if you got one electron, you can write here 1. That is a hydrogen in K shell, one electron, therefore you put 1 here. Valence shell means the outermost shell. That means here the outermost shell is K shell. Therefore, valence shell means outermost shell, and the for hydrogen, the valence shell is K shell. Fifth point, valence electron. Valence electron means number of electrons in the valence shell. Here, the hydrogen, only one electron in the valence shell. You write that. Now we got all the points to fill the 6 columns in the table. That is, take that table and hydrogen, K shell, 1 electron, L shell, no electron, M shell, no electron, N shell, no electron. Valence shell is K shell and valence electron 1. Like this, you have to do all the 20 elements.